What I wish I knew before I started learning English. Before I started learning English, I thought I needed to be perfect. I thought I had to know every grammar rule, every big word, and every sentence before I could speak. But now, after years of learning, I realize I was wrong. And today, I want to tell you what I wish I knew before I started learning English. Let me take you back to when I was just beginning. I was a teenager in a small town. I wanted to learn English because I loved English songs and movies. I thought how cool it would be to understand everything. So, I bought a big grammar book. Every day, I sat at my desk and memorized words, hundreds of words. I filled notebooks with vocabulary and rules. But there was one problem. I couldn't speak. When someone asked me, "How are you?" I froze. I looked down. My mind went blank. I knew the words, but I didn't know how to use them. I was afraid to make a mistake. I was afraid people would laugh at me. So, I stayed quiet. One day, I met Anna, a girl from my school who spoke English very well. She wasn't the top student in grammar class, but she spoke with confidence. I asked her, "How did you learn to speak so well?" She smiled and said, "I stopped being afraid." That answer shocked me. I thought English was about rules, but she was telling me it was about confidence. Anna shared her secret. She said, "I speak even when I make mistakes. I watch English shows with subtitles. I copy how they talk. I speak to myself in English when I'm alone. I don't wait to be perfect. I just speak." That day, something changed in me. I went home and tried something new. I talked to myself in English. "I'm hungry. I like this song. Today is sunny." Simple sentences, easy words, but they were real. I listened to short English videos. I repeated the phrases. I didn't write them down, I said them out loud, over and over. Soon, I started to feel more confident. I made mistakes, but I kept going. I laughed at myself, and then I tried again. Now, years later, I can speak English easily. Not perfectly, but clearly. And here's what I wish I knew when I started. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Grammar is important, but not more than practice. Mistakes are your teachers. They help you grow. Confidence is more powerful than a big vocabulary. Listening and speaking every day is the real secret. So now, dear friend, I ask you, are you waiting to be perfect before you speak? Are you afraid to make a mistake? Please don't wait. Start now. Use easy words. Speak slowly. Talk to yourself. Listen to English every day. Copy the sounds. Repeat the phrases. And most of all, believe in yourself. Because the truth is, you're better than you think. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need to know every word. You just need courage and little practice every day. So tell me, what do you wish you knew before you started learning English? Comment your answer in the comment section. If this story helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in my next video for more English learning. Thank you.